Hey everybody, in this video we're going to go over the RLE F200 configuration button or the reset button. So on this unit, if we look at the front, there's a network port, a mini USB, a status light, silence button, and 4 analogs. On the back, in between these two terminal blocks, there's a small hole a paperclip can fit into. That is the configuration button or the reset. So in order to go through the process, we're going to plug in power. We're going to see the status light start to flash. Seeming if it was already configured for sensors, it'll probably start beeping. Once we start hearing it beeping, we'll push the silence button. Then we'll use our paperclip and we'll depress the reset/configuration button on the back of the unit. So the method here is to depress the reset button for 1-second intervals depending on what you want to achieve. The first beep temporarily enables DHCP. 2 beeps will enable the default IP address. 3 beeps disables the administrator password, and 4 beeps resets the unit back to factory default settings. We're going to take the USB cable, we're going to line it up, and we're going to plug this in. We can see that the power light is on, so we're just going to wait a few seconds just to see if any alarms trip on the unit, seeming it was already pre-configured. We get our alarms coming through, so we're going to press the silence button. Now that it's been silenced, we're going to take our paperclip, just flex one end out, roll the unit up onto its side, and then we're going to put it inside the configuration hole. Then we're going to depress it, and then here you'll hear it start to beep and go through that sequence. So we're going to push it once, keep it depressed twice, 3 seconds, 4 seconds. Now the unit has been reset back to factory default by going through this. So we will take the F200 and we will unplug power. And with that being completed, we can plug in our network connection and our USB power. Once we have the unit powered up, we can go through and open up a web browser. Go up to our address bar, type in that default IP of 10.0.0.188, push enter, and you'll see the default web interface come back up on this unit. Then you can go in and reconfigure this for new deployment. Thank you for taking the time watching this video. Hope it was helpful. If you like what you see, please hit like, and if you'd like to see more, please hit subscribe. Thank you, and hope you have a great day.